आरजे सृष्टि, आप हैं ऑन आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग रेडियो और आप सुन रहे हैं इवनिंग राइट। तो आज मैंने बताया था कि एक इम्पॉर्टेंट डे है एंड दैट इज वर्ल्ड नो ड्रग डे। एंड यूथ में दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम टू। मतलब अगर एक्स्ट्रा खुशी या दुख एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए किसी सब्सटेंस का यूज करना पड़े तो डजंट दैट मेक अस स्लाइटली लाइक मशीन्स? जैसे मशीन्स एंड रोबोट्स नहीं होते, बिना बैटरी के चलते ही नहीं है, वैसे कुछ लोग हो जाते हैं इसके आदी भी। ह्यूमंस एंड मशीन्स में फर्क पता क्या है कि हमको ऑपरेट करने के लिए या एंजॉय करने के लिए जीवन को हमेशा चीजों का सहारा नहीं लेना पड़ता। पर कई लोग हैं जो आज भी वो गलती कर रहे हैं। वेल सी, आई नो कि कहना इज ईजियर, बट मैं अपने नहीं पर किसी और के एक्सपीरियंस से बता रही हूँ आपको कि देयर इज नो फन इन दिस। बस ये एक और ट्रैप है जिसमें आप कभी ना कभी फंस जाते हैं और पता भी नहीं चलता। इसलिए आज मैंने बुलाया एक मेहमान को टू क्लियर ऑल दीज डाउट्स। आज हमको ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं उज्जवल शंकर। उज्जवल एक डी एडिक्शन स्पेशलिस्ट है एंड माइंड यू ये खुद इसको हरा कर निकले बाहर। ही इज ऑल्सो एन आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग फैकल्टी प्लस टीम वर्क्स एंड टीम बिल्डिंग कोच भी हैं और आज ये हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं ऑन इवनिंग राइट। So first of all, welcome to the show, Ujjwal.
Hi, it's so nice to hear you. We keep listening to your radio in the evenings and it's great to be on this, yeah?
Sometimes you know you have to stop, but you just don't know how to. So how do you know कि now is the time that you should stop it and you should not get into it? तो how did you know कि नहीं यार बस हो गया है अब तो? और how do you tell somebody कि boss, this is when you decide and it will not happen to you again. This is the time you decide कि नहीं करना तो नहीं करना.
Yeah. So what our experiences and most of us, and of course we all started together as a friend circle. So when your peers start telling you, or your friends, there's also a good set of friends who keep telling you stop it, and then your health really takes a toll. Like I said, overall the nervous system, you get into depression, you're feeling very lonely, and you know it's a problem, and then you start making a move.
Like these days there are therapies, there are medicines, there are multiple things that you can do to get out of it apart from your willpower. So what was it about art of living that really helped you to get out of it and stay clean for so many years?
Firstly, I think the biggest advantage in art of living community or the art of living program is it's about life, right? Because most of the habits that we're all into, whether take it high-end drugs, recreational or substance abuse, where literally you're getting into a mode of anger, violent, or you're getting away from reality of life, is what art of living does to you. It brings you back to reality. Unlike the other ways to quit, you're in a very artificial environment. Somebody gives you tablets or medical advices come with counseling. It's all very temporary.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, when something inside you, it could be stress or it could be relationship issues or peer pressure of not achieving in life, where you see others doing well, you have a problem, then you go pick it up, right? And also related to health, you don't get proper sleep, so you want to drink, get high, and then hit the bed. But in art of living, what's the uniqueness, and which is very easy, and is that the techniques taught at the art of living, you have a tool. No other program in the world, especially for coming out of habits, has a tool given to you. Yeah.
True.
So it could be through breathing, it could be through meditation, or just activities. And how do you come back to life? That is the key to the art of living. And it's fun, you have people, like for example, when I did my program, my teachers, my batchmates, I got a new set of gang, and I call it the real high even now. And that's the reason it overtook the high which was artificially built in me over the real high of life. And the art of living community, what it does to you, not only makes you come out of this through the technique, but it also gives you a life again. You kind of go back and serve society. You can volunteer for programs, you can talk to people. So your mind is occupied and you feel that you're more wanted.
I want to know one thing that you experienced कि यार this is what I needed in life. मतलब इस feeling के लिए तो यार निकलना छोड़ना बनता ही है. This is the moment you should live for. This is the moment जिसके लिए ये पूरा journey worth it है.
I'm like always comparing that with a lot of things that give you an artificial life. And that was a change for me, because when I did the Sudarshan Kriya technique, trust me, the high that I felt after that was something that I was like in tears that why did I not get this at the at the age that I went into these habits,
हाँ
right?
हाँ
So that was a transformation, and with somebody who is so much into the habit, and there's this one breathing technique which is taught and makes you something much better that you can experience. And I wanted to live again for this. And of course, people like us, Srishti, we are actually lonely. We might be with a lot of social friends, having the best of forms of, addiction or feeling high. And Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar, with his wisdom and teachings, makes you feel that you have a friend. Right?
True.
You're a mentor or a friend or a counselor. And that's what I found with the Art of Living now.
yeah
We got a guru in our life, we got a master who can guide you, plus the technique. And that's what everybody needs today, right? Happiness, freedom, and that real high that you feel from inside is what has kept me going for the last 17 years, I mean, even today, not that I don't party around, I don't go out,
yeah
I still do that. I still be with a lot of people, friends, but it's no more a craving. I don't need to do it to be high or have fun. I can do anything with more happiness today.
yeah that's like you don't no longer needs any external force to get that
Correct.
high. वेल टोबैको फ्री एंड ड्रग फ्री सोसाइटी के लिए आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग भी कई इनिशिएटिव चला रहा है जहाँ मेडिटेशन प्रैक्टिसेस एंड वेलनेस मॉड्यूल्स के साथ साथ दे हेल्प पीपल ओवरकम एडिक्शन एंड यूजेस. तो इफ यू नो समबडी जिसको इसकी ज़रूरत है या फिर जिसको इससे हेल्प मिल सकती है, डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर एंड कनेक्ट. जस्ट विजिट artofliving.org/wellness फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. यू कैन ऑल्सो कनेक्ट विथ मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम @RJ Srishti पर. स्पेलिंग है RJSRISHTI और मैं इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर कर दूंगी. बाकी सुनते रहिए इवनिंग राइड. थोड़ी देर में RJ सृष्टि यानी कि मैं मिलती हूँ विथ मोर अपडेट ओनली ऑन द आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग रेडियो. जरा मुस्कुराइए.